How to add Cardano to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Cardano to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap, easy and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down here and click on your portfolio. Now right here you will find your portfolio. I don't have as you can see Cardano. All what you have to do to add it, just click here. If you didn't find it, just click here. You have two options. Now search for Cardano and here is it. If you didn't find it, you can search here in the search bar for Cardano. Click on Cardano. Now click on this USD option so you can choose the money that you want to invest. For example, $100 and click add transaction. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, Cardano is added to my profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe.